Namaste. Welcome to PSM Speak. Besides my speaking on this channel PSM Speak on social and economic policy issues, mostly I analyze and comment on economic policy issues. Of late, I have been inviting guests from different walks of life to express their views or tell us their experiences during this corona war time. Sadvita Gona is my guest today. Sadvita is fresh out of her college. After her bachelor's, she has joined a startup, and Sadvita is closely working with the students. Now she is going to give her views, rather the voice of people, particularly youth, as she experiences and also watches. Now, Sadvita.
Hi everyone. Today I would like to address three issues that mainly youth of my age are facing due to the coronavirus lockdown. So it's been a couple of months that everybody is so scared what's happening around, and I would like to talk on behalf of me and students like me. First thing I would like to address is students today are forced to learn everything online through online classes or whatever it is. But most of the institutions or the faculty members are not able to understand one thing, is that a student cannot learn everything online. If it's so, then why would anyone pay lakhs of money and go into institutions and organizations? So people have to understand that, and they're just forcing them to learn rather than concentrating on the knowledge a student is gaining. And they just concentrate on exams, assignments and semester exams, but they're not able to understand the stress a student is facing. They're clueless of what's happening outside and what will be their future all about. And this is something which needs to be taken care by the educational institutions mainly, because it's important. A student's mental health is most important thing than his academic performance, I guess. And second thing is coming to the final year students in any college, because have been working closely with students from past 1 year. So I got to know from students that the final year students don't have any idea on what they're going to work after engineering, because they've been placed in many MNCs most of the times. What happens in our state or our country is there's a mass recruiting happening in all the colleges, tier 2 colleges. So all the MNCs, they're laying off the existing employees, and the students who are placed right now in any MNC, they're not sure even if they're going to get the offer letter or not. So, and they don't know what to do once this ends. It's like back 13 years back when there was a recession happened and IIT students were not able to get any job. That's what the students are facing right now. And how I am related to this is, as I've already told you, I've been working in a startup which is dealing with students from past 1 year, and I've been trying to switch jobs from last couple of months. And I was about to get into an organization which is well known in state for developing the new startups and incubating them. But because of the lockdown, they freezed the total recruiting, and I've been kept aside for this couple of months. Even though I'm helping them in one or the other way, but I'm not an employee to them. So this is something some lot of people of my age, of my kind of facing, is what I feel. If this corona lockdown was not there and everything was normal, or at least we have taken measures in some or the other way, I would have placed in that organization and helping so many other startups. So this is second thing I wanted to address. And one more major important thing is our PM announced Atmanirbhar package with a lot of amount. Everybody is like, oh, so fancy amount, if it's divided equally to the people of the country, it will give 15,000 rupees to one individual. But that's not happening right now, right? So they said in the 5th report what they have released, we are going to make the business sector easy. And for the entrepreneurs, they said we are releasing 5,400 crores of fancy amount with great speeches and inspiring everybody. But what's happening really? From the past experience, what I have working in startups, I don't really think that was coming on ground. and just because changing of some rules in the taxes, it's not going to create new employment. And I don't know, in this 20 lakhs crores whatever government released, how much of this is actually going into the youth, because major of our future will be dependent on youth. And when I go and see news every day, they're saying we are taking so many flights, or something required for the defense is coming from outside of the country. Why can't we do that in our country? I mean, yeah, it's not a one-day job or a one-year job, it's a long term goal. But when the government actually starts to put this money to make students learn something, or at least 1% of this is given to employment thing for youth, it may actually make a change in the lives of the youth and make their mindset more confident. Maybe if not everybody's place, but they at least have a confidence that yeah, something is going on for us, let's go and try. So that is what I felt, being a recent graduate and going through all these changes recently, because we have not seen all this. We are young people, we need support, be it mentally or financially, and that's what I wanted to talk about today. And thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Sadvita Gona. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have subscribed to my channel already. If not, please do subscribe now. Please click on that subscribe button below this video. After clicking on that, of course this is free. After clicking on that, you will see the bell icon. Please click on the bell icon to get the notifications as and when I upload a new video to this channel. Thanks again. Thank you.